welcome back to my kitchen and welcome to Sunday Cook with me. Well, we're doing another salad today, and this one is something that sounds really interesting. I've not made it before. It's a Pinterest find, and it's called a ham and pineapple pasta salad. It sounds very good in that I like ham and I like pineapple and I like pasta, so what could be bad? So it's an easy salad to put together. Doesn't take 10 minutes to put it together. The longest part of it is cooking the pasta. Now I've got the pasta on the stove now and it's just about ready to come off. So I'll drain the pasta and get that in the bowl before I get the rest of the ingredients out for you. But I hope you enjoy this. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And give this one a try. I think you're going to like it. I think I'm going to like it. Be right back and I'll take you down to the counter and show you what we're going to need to make our ham and pineapple pasta salad. Be right back. Okay, here's what you're going to need. Now this is very simple salad to put together. I've just finished boiling some rigatoni. It's suggested rigatoni or bow tie. I like the rigatoni. This is 8 ounces, okay? In this plate I have 1 can of pineapple tidbits that I have drained and cut up. It's supposed to be 1 red pepper, but I keep red, yellow, and orange peppers in my freezer cut. So I'm just going to add those. And then it says 2 cups of diced ham. And I have this diced ham here, and I don't know how many cups this is, but it's going to be more than enough. I think I'll cut it open. And hopefully I can get it open. If not, we'll cut it down further. Okay. Now, do you believe this is still not going to open for me? Well, there's always a way. Open now. All right, let's see what we get as far as measurements here. I have most of it in the cup, some of it on the counter. There's 1 cup. Let me just do it over this plate here. I have a fly that's driving me crazy. There's 2 cups, so there's probably 3 cups in here. We'll wrap that up. And now we need 1 green onion. I'm using the white and the green. Now that's that's all the ingredients it calls for. So now we'll make the dressing up. I'm going to make the dressing in this jar and then I can shake it. First thing it calls for is a half a cup of mayo. So we're just going to eyeball this. That looks like a half a cup to me. And a third of a cup of the pineapple juice. Quarter cup of sour cream, oh, that's not the right top. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, now 1 teaspoon of cider vinegar. I do not have any cider vinegar. I'm going to throw just a tiny bit of balsamic, and I would not recommend balsamic, but that's what I'm using. It's only a teaspoon, so it won't make a difference. A teaspoon of honey, and a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. And then black pepper to taste. Salt. Now we'll put the top on. Maybe. There we are. And shake, shake, shake. And we'll add this to the salad. I'm going to save just a little, maybe. Nope, I guess I put it all in there. Because as it sits, they recommend that you chill this for at least 2 hours. And as it sits, it's going to absorb that dressing. So if it seems wet now, that's okay. It won't seem wet later. Isn't that nice looking? Let me get you a taste test. Okay, let's see if we can get a taste test here. And I'm going to try to get something of everything here. Now, it's supposed to sit for 2 hours, so we'll see. Very tasty. I'm stirring it with the big spoon, not my spoon. I'll put a little bit more on my spoon. That dressing is delicious. It's going to be better as it's colder and it's had a chance to absorb some of that dressing. But it's a very light dressing, which I find good because we're not big fans of heavy mayonnaise pasta salads. When I make a pasta salad, I usually use like an Italian dressing. So this is very light with the pineapple juice and the sour cream, and it makes it much nicer than a heavy mayonnaise dressing. Very refreshing for a poolside party or a barbecue. Serve it up with some grilled chicken breast maybe, or grilled chicken, anything. So let me take you down, give you another picture. There you go. Now I'm going to add one more thing, which is not part of the recipe, and that is some chopped cheddar cheese, little cubes. I'm not going to put it in yet. I'm going to chill this first because I don't want the cheese to get melty. So there you go. Ham and pineapple pasta salad. Delicious. Okay, the next time we get together, we'll be doing a craft. I think we're going to be doing a swag for the lamppost, for the patriotic swag. So until then, I hope you have a great afternoon or evening. Stay safe, stay warm, play by the rules, and everybody play nice now. Love you. Bye-bye.